Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G62 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So now let's check the display lock screen. So we can see that unfortunately we have now installed by default the always on display feature. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. And now let's open the Play Store, and in the search bar we should enter the Muviz Edge, and now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that we should click to open the app and tap to draw our apps. After that, let's tap to Muviz Edge application, click on the switcher and go back to the app. Then tap to AUD and select one from these available tabs. Let's use this one, tap here to apply, and now let's just lock our smartphone and we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.